These earbuds are built like stage gear? Shure AONIC 215 TW2 blew me away. Ever feel like your premium wireless earbuds are just meh? One side dies halfway through your podcast. A single drop of sweat and they short circuit like they saw a ghost. You can't hear your playlist over gym clatter, and calls sound like you're underwater in a blender. You keep swapping models, burning cash, and still feel like you're stuck with overpriced plastic promises. The motivation to even try another pair? Fading fast. If you're overwhelmed by broken Bluetooth, bad audio, and earbuds that slide out during a yawn, then, my friend, you're exactly who this video's for. Now let's crank the volume on that pain. You're juggling deadlines, workouts, Zoom calls, and me time, but your gear is failing the vibe check. That mid-run battery death? Infuriating. Muffled audio on that important client call? Costly. And let's not even talk about that time your earbuds flew out during burpees in front of your crush. You're not just inconvenienced, you're blocked from fully vibing, grinding, and winning. It's frustrating to feel like your gear is more high maintenance than your ex. You're exhausted, fed up, and low-key terrified to try another so-called next-gen audio miracle. Enter the Shure AONIC 215 TW2 Gen 2 True Wireless Earbuds, crafted from the same DNA that powers actual music legends. These bad boys aren't just earbuds, they're mini sound stages locked into your ears. Engineered from decades of studio excellence, they serve up real audio with deep bass, crisp highs, and that addictive Shure clarity. With up to 32 hours of battery, water and sweat resistance, pro-grade sound isolation, blocking 37 decibels of noise, and an over-ear secure fit that won't quit, even when you do, they're built to outlast your hustle. The kicker? You can even detach the earpieces and use them wired. Yes. Really. Whether you're working out, working from home, or working on your next big idea, the AONIC 215 TW2 adapts to your world. Bluetooth 5 ensures stability, beamforming mics bring your calls to life, and the customizable controls via the Shure Plus Play app let you fine-tune your experience down to the last detail. You get an immersive sound bubble with environment mode ready at the tap of a button. They're comfy, classy, and designed for real life, not just Instagram. So if you're finally ready to quit settling for average, lean in. Hit the link and explore what premium audio actually feels like. Don't wait till your current earbuds betray you mid-chorus again. The Shure AONIC 215 TW2 Gen 2 is your golden ticket to studio-quality wireless sound with none of the "are they gonna fall out" stress. Thousands of audio pros, fitness freaks, and everyday legends have already made the switch, and the reviews? Fire. Supplies are moving faster than your Spotify Wrapped stats, so don't sleep on this. Act now. Ditch the noise. Feel the music. Own your space. Tap the button and let your ears finally experience what they've been missing.